Greetings and welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we are here to delve into a compelling topic: urban design versus urban planning. While these two concepts may appear perplexing at first glance, rest assured that they hold distinct roles in shaping the landscape of our cities. In this video, we shall elucidate the dissimilarities between urban design and urban planning in a formal manner. Let us commence our discussion. Urban design entails the thoughtful organization of spaces within a city to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It encompasses the creation of remarkable architecture, well-crafted landscapes, and inviting public areas. Conversely, urban planning focuses on a broader perspective, involving the establishment of regulations for various zones, development of infrastructure, and efficient transportation systems. The crux of urban design revolves around enhancing the quality of city life for its inhabitants, fostering a sense of community, and establishing appealing public spaces. In contrast, urban planning takes a long-term approach, addressing issues of sustainability, managing population growth, and ensuring judicious land utilization. It is pertinent to note the scale of focus in each domain. Urban design concentrates on the minute details, including the improvement of neighborhoods, embellishing parks, and creating distinctive architectural landmarks. Conversely, urban planning extends its scope to encompass an entire city, or even a region, meticulously considering the integration of all elements. The element of time plays a pivotal role in differentiating these two disciplines. Urban design projects often showcase tangible results in relatively shorter timeframes, sometimes within a few years. Conversely, urban planning necessitates patience, as its endeavors involve long-term planning and implementation, with results manifesting over extended periods, spanning even decades. In terms of human involvement, urban design seeks direct engagement with local communities since their neighborhoods undergo transformation. Conversely, urban planning demands a broader engagement strategy, involving extensive public participation through town hall meetings and other channels, as it profoundly affects the entire populace. Flexibility is an attribute that distinguishes urban design from urban planning. The former allows for adaptability and creativity akin to playing with Lego blocks, tailoring designs to align with the preferences of the people. On the other hand, urban planning adheres to a more structured and less flexible approach due to legal considerations and adherence to long-term objectives. Collaboration is integral to both domains, albeit in different capacities. Urban design involves cooperation among artists such as architects, landscape architects, and urban designers to conceive visually captivating and practical spaces. Conversely, urban planning acts as a melting pot, drawing upon ideas from diverse fields such as economics, sociology, environmental studies, and transportation to shape the city's future. Ultimately, it is vital to recognize that urban design and urban planning complement each other harmoniously rather than being adversaries. A well-devised urban planning strategy facilitates the smooth execution of urban design projects, resulting in a city that thrives and flourishes. In conclusion, dear viewers, urban design and urban planning, while seemingly intertwined, possess distinctive roles in the process of crafting vibrant and delightful cities. Whether it entails designing an alluring park or shaping the destiny of an entire metropolis, both disciplines play pivotal roles in creating the cities we hold dear. If you found this video informative, we kindly request you to express your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your acquaintances, and subscribing to our channel for more captivating content. Thank you for your time, and until next time, take care.